welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing well. It's approaching 5 o'clock here in Blackpool, and I'm just going to have a walk round the front, around some of the back streets, around the bars, and just show you around. A bit earlier out tonight, hence the reason I'm joining up with some friends and going out drinking. And I'm still on the end of a hangover from last night. It just so happens there was two things to go to: a birthday party yesterday, and now I've got some friends I'm going out with tonight. So I've come out early to show a video, and I don't tend to do vlogs when I'm out drinking. I always forget to switch on and switch off the camera, and I'm not concentrating enough on my vlogs, and then it's a total mess. I have tried it before, but anyway, what I may do when I finish this vlog, I may put some stuff on the end of it, but if I do, I'll put something in the title anyway, if we see anything. But there's the introduction. Let's get off this mound, because no doubt there's some wind about, and I will catch you when we get down the bottom. Well, there's certainly a lot of people about, and it's not a bad evening. You need a coat on, but no horrendous winds or anything. But yeah, it's still the school holidays. It's the weekend, so it's as busy as ever, and I think you can see all that up there.
I've got 4 signals.
There's the Hardwick. I'll try not to do too much talking and just let you take it all in today. Not because I don't want to talk, but most of you know where we are on certain things. But don't worry, I will be speaking a little bit. There's Foxhall Village, Foxhall Market there. Webster's sits on the corner, been here years, it has. Need some drinking done on here, all the glasses here. But anyway, let's show you some of the front now, shall we? Show you how busy it is. Certainly busy at the moment here in Blackpool. what's going on here. This is coming on the blue light just now when I didn't have my camera on, so something going on. Let's go down, take a look. Yeah, just seems to be somebody who's maybe a little bit poorly there. I don't know, but he's come to help her anyway. Doesn't look like a drastic emergency, but we'll leave him to it anyway. And yeah, there's a little bit of review of the beach. So we've got 2 police cars, an ambulance. Yeah, it's just a lady that's a bit poorly. But now there's another siren coming along. I would think this is coming to the same place, possibly. Yeah, bless her, I hope she's going to be alright. Right, let's move on, let's go and have a peep on the pier, shall we? Look at the amount of people about. There's a lifeboat coming in there. The crowds of people. So good to see. Stand there in the middle gives you a better view of both sides, doesn't it, to show you how many people are out and about. There's a tram there chasing a van. I would hate to think how busy Coral Island is. I'm not even going to attempt to go in there. But anyway, it's give you an idea of how busy Blackpool is on this Saturday evening here. We shall start to close in and have a little wander around some of the bars now. Just wanted to show you some of the promenade. Yeah, just a quick visit to the headlands to show you the tower there. Yeah, just got inland into the town now. Yes, I am sorry for not doing a vlog yesterday. Just a bit busy, and the old knee injury is hurting a little bit as well with the walking, so I rested it yesterday.
It's so pretty.
Just looking up Church Street, that looks busy up there as well still, but we're going this way. Coyote Ugly Bar is now open. I bet that's expensive in there. I watched a video on it, and somebody was in there on the opening night doing a video, and I didn't recognise the place. Didn't recognise it at all. Completely different to what I expected. The smallest pub in Blackpool. Yeah, a little bit of North Pier over there. Yeah, so what I will do is I'm going to be joining up with my friends soon. But as we're walking out and about, I may just do some clips. So I won't say goodbye on this one when I do go. So if I've suddenly gone, you know why. So we might put some add-ons on and we might not. But anyway, let's keep wandering about and see what's going on. It's all very early for the drinkers really. Well, they're here drinking, but they don't tend to pour out on the street until later on. Just what it is. Yeah, it's not a late one, I'm afraid. No shortage of public transport here in Blackpool. A few sights about anyway already. So how can I close it off now when I'm walking around the town? We will get some more photons later on. Excuse me, can I see the red, please? Absolutely. Yeah.
Oh, that's not Sarah.
Clifton Street. So we're actually out now drinking. Caught up with my friends. So I'm just going to take you into Hogarth's and show you in Hogarth's.
Look at the scoreline there, man. What was actually the blue
Yeah, it's busy in Hogarth's. Retro Lounge in Blackpool. Yeah, so it's about 10 to 11 now. I've just captured him. I've just captured him now. So I'm going in for a drink in the Soul Suite now. So we're in the walkabout area now. Where are we going now? Are we going to the last one? No, Blackpool, you said. What time are we on now? We're on 11:32 now. No. Oh. There, down. Oh, captured that. Captured that. I told you, the later it gets, the madder it gets. Oh. Trilogy. I'm trying to behave here because I said I won't be out drinking. I wouldn't be vlogging, but I've got to show you something, haven't I? So we're on about 10 past 12 here now, and I'm heading home. I've had enough. I said I'd show you a little bit of late night. Place is madness, isn't it? Even at 10 past 12 at night. But I'm heading home now. As I say, the second half of this vlog, I was out socialising. And I said I'd show you a bit, but yeah, my knees really hurting. Too old for all these late nights now, really, to be honest with you. So I'm going to leave it there. I do hope you've enjoyed the vlog, and I'll catch you very soon. Take care. And I appreciate everybody that watches my channel and subscribes. Thank you very much. And I hope you continue to enjoy the content. Bye bye for now.